I'm going to go over a 40-ounce tumbler with handle. And let me just kind of like go over the packaging here because it's very nicely packaged here. This thing is cold insulating time. It has 10 to 20 hours. So if you put ice drinks in there, you got 10 to 20 hours of use. But then heat, which is probably where I'm going to be using it the most, it's going to be between 8 and 15 hours of like a cup of coffee or some hot tea or something like that. It is food grade 304 stainless steel, and it's a 40-ounce capacity, which is actually a big coffee cup if you think about it. Looking at it, it's 3.2 inches in width. It's 11.4 in height, 40-ounce capacities, and it comes in at 1.5 pounds. And it is insulated, just so you know. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package here and show you what you get with this thing. Looking at it here, and I got mine in a light pink color. Man, this thing has a lot to it. Look at that. I didn't even know it had these straws. Plastic straw, and you have a metal straw with a cleaner for the straw and bite tab on the top and bottom. How cool is that? There's the lid. I'll show you the lid here in a minute. It has a cool gasket around the edge there. Here's the actual cup itself. Oh, that's the straw lid. Here's the actual lid to this thing. What a very premium filling cup this thing feels like. Wow, that's in there tight. It looks like you get a set of instructions on how to clean it, how to use the lid, another kind of setup, all the items that you're supposed to get with it. We'll put that aside. Showing you the lid here. This is neat. It actually has a locking mechanism on the lid. When you mash it down, it's got a little lock and unlock on it. How cool is that? You lock it in place. This is not going to come up now until I actually unlock it. That is neat. So if you guys have ever dropped your coffee cup and it's come undone or fell over, that will stop that from happening. So there's that. And it also has a straw on the back side of that thing. Very nice premium cup. Removable silicone right there to keep it from sliding around on you. Very nice colors too. And you could sticker this up if you wanted to. You screw that on. That's not coming off. That's on there tight. Wow, this is great for anyone that just really wants to load down with a drink and have a big drink. Look at the size of that compared to my hand. Very nice right there. Let me try the other lid on it. There's the first lid. This looks to be like I guess a different type of lid. Open it up, you can drink out of there, or you could use a straw right there. Taking out the straw. Yeah, that works. This thing feels extremely premium. I'm very impressed with this coffee cup. You know what? I got it in pink, and I'm not afraid to rock a pink coffee cup. So yeah, there it is, everybody. You get the cleaning straws, a plastic straw, and the cup, the insulated cup itself that lasts for hours if you want to put coffee or just a cold drink in it. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the TEAMVV insulated tumbler mug. See you guys in the next video. Woo!